I just boom? We messaged her. She said wait. What the fuck did she talk
about? She said you said change your mind about astrology, and then she typed Roblox. Just call her. Just ask, be like, are you fucking stupid?
Wait, hide your screen real quick. There might be a number in the messages.
Oh.
Oh no, we're good. We're good. Okay. Okay, let's see your profile. A life goal of mine to be your doctor.
UCLA.
Okay. Roblox, play with me ASAP. Okay, a little bit of dress to impress. Doesn't call me mamas. Papas only.
Wait, what?
The fuck does that mean?
She wanted her to call you Papa.
Okay.
She got henna.
She got a cat.
Okay.
Okay.
Be like, what the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, for real. What the fuck are you talking about?
So we're only going voice memo with it. So we're just going voice memos with it.
No, yeah, bro.
Nah, fuck it. I like that. I like that. You're not.
Nah,
just fuck the texting. Just straight voice.
Straight voice memo.
Yeah,
really
texting.
Get the message across. Yeah, ain't no miscommunication.
It takes it's like annoying.
They hear it all.
Okay.
The fuck are you talking about?
Okay,
yeah. Yeah, no, I like that. What is this girl talking about? Yeah, bro.
Okay.
What is this?
All right, let's run it.
Okay, let me see.
I see you was on your way to hard. I'm already on my way to hard, baby.
Wait, what?
You heard that?
Wait, what? You were on the way.
I see you was on your way to hard. I'm already on my way to hard, baby.
What the fuck? What was the context?
Oh, she was going to hard summer.
Oh.
Then I was going to hard summer too.
Oh. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. It was the rave, and then she said, "Laugh my ass." So I said,
"Shit, baby, you like a comedian?"
Nah, that was nice. Nah, I'm fucking with that
and
one.
She said maybe a little bit, and I said, "Let me tell you a joke. I'm all ears." I hit her with a.
Get that yam off your face. Yam face ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga.
You get it? You said yam? Yeah, I sold it.
Let me see your profile. Yeah, no. Yeah, no, just get out of this, man. Just go back to your life, bro.
Okay.
Just get back to your life, bro. Oh, fuck.
Okay, we got Megan.
Okay, Megan. Okay.
She geeks out on Marvel.
All right, yeah. Okay, yeah.
You can recite every word to "Ain't No Fun" by Snoop Dogg.
Nah, this is your body.
This me?
This might be you.
Okay.
Might be you. Okay.
Boom.
Oh, you don't even reply. You just go straight to voice memo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Start off.
Okay, let me see your profile again.
So she can see my body. Marvel. Recite every word to "Ain't No Fun" by Snoop Dogg. Step Up. It's Step Up 2 and Step Up 3 are the best ones out of all the Step Up movies.
Be like, I'm not gonna lie, mamas, I would destroy you. Is that too crazy?
Oh my god! What the fuck? Fucking chat? No, that was crazy.
Nah, just be like. Nah, just hear what's good, mamas.
Okay. What's good, mamas? A little breathe.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
What's good, mamas?
Breath.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right.
Oh,
Okay.
wait, hold on. Let me see what this is. Okay. I don't know how to take that.
I'm not gonna lie, you look like a praying mantis, but I love praying mantis.
Is that fucking laser?
No, because like I was swiping and then Laser was like, wait, hold on, bro, get her for me. So then I let him cook.
Wait, what does she look like? Spanish.
You know what I'm saying? This was Laser's body. That was Laser's body.
Yeah, no, that's his body.
How about I take you and we go to a date.
Nah, that was Rizz. Nah, that was Rizz. That was Rizz. Okay. Yeah, fuck this.
Okay, yeah.
Fuck this shit. Okay. We just need a girl to start responding.
Okay.
Oh, wait, hold on. Who's this?
Melissa. She loves sarcasm.
Oh, she look good.
She like reading.
Oh,
Like
she
dog.
look good. She look good.
Alright, she be raving.
Fuck.
Okay. What do I say?
Just be like,
Be like,
you need somebody to give you shoulder rides?
you need someone to give you shoulder rides? Come on. Why would
Yeah.
You need someone to give you shoulder rides? Come on.
Yeah, nah. That's what I'm fucking talking about. That's what I'm fucking talking about.
Okay, we got
Okay.
Bella. I go crazy for dogs. 2 man?
Nah.
No.
Nah.
Okay.
Nah, this your body?
Volunteering. I look.
She look like too old, low key.
Yeah.
Too old for you.
Okay, we got Amaya.
Mhm.
Working out, reading, and reality TV. USC. Okay. Quality time. Words of affirmation. Nah, she sound like an old head, man. Fuck, where the freak shit at? Damn. Honest, open to new experiences.
She trying to find her
respectful,
husband on
can
Hinge.
make me laugh. Yeah.
It's up to you, bro.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, shit. Okay, let's get. Let me cook up.
All right, bet. She wants the husband type.
How about I take you into the room and then we just finish the whole season, or maybe even some Dune 2.
Wait, what? Did she say that she wanted to watch a movie?
Yeah, she said working
Oh.
out and then reality TV.
Wait, replay the message?
How about I take you into the room and then we just finish the whole season, or maybe even some Dune 2.
Nah, redo it.
Okay. All right. How do I say
Be
it?
like, let's binge watch Love Island together, and then add some shit on your own at the end.
All right, bet. Let's binge watch. I need the voice. Let's binge watch. How the fuck you say that shit?
Binge.
Binge.
Okay.
Let's binge watch Love Island together. You know what I'm saying, what's your favorite snack? Because I got some. I was trying to freestyle. I couldn't freestyle. Right now.
What's your favorite snack? Because I got some.
Bro, I was like, I was gonna bring snacks. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Yeah. Go back. Yeah.
Okay, again.
Yeah.
Let's binge watch Love Island together. You know what I'm saying? And I'll bring my favorite snack for you. Just.
Birthday for the 5.
Hey.
Birthday for the 5. Yeah.
Let's binge watch Love Island together. You know what I'm saying? I would just bring my favorite snack, but you already gonna be there. Hey, come on.
Yeah, I like that one.
Mm-hmm.
I like that one.
Okay.
Oh, you better cook.
Bella, she like dog. Hey Bella, I seen you like dogs. You know what I'm saying? You fucking with
Shut up. I can't.
Nigga! Come on!
Yeah, I can't. Oh, fuck.
Hey Bella, I seen you like dogs. You know what I'm saying? You fucking with a big dog right now.
Nigga! She might like that. She might be like, oh no, he kind of funny.
Bro, it's up to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's Lynn's?
Lynn?
Yeah, let me see her profile.
Wait, hide it real quick. Oh, never mind, we good.
Wait, can you come over and bring them clippers? I low-key need a haircut.
Some normal shit. She said yes.
What's her profile? Yeah, the more for the gifted.
Oh, it was because her profile had this.
Oh, wow.
That's her. That's her love language.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Huh.
So yeah.
Yeah, that's your body. You could take that down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Be like, I miss you.
Gotta hit her with an emoji.
Alright.
Come on, that's calm.
Alright. Let's get to swiping, shall we?
Alright. Wait, let's do her real quick.
Okay.
How you feel? Oh.
Nah, she thought that was sexy.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna be good on that one.
Nah, yo, this might be your body.
Okay. Just hit her with the same day delivery.
Yeah.
On Discord.
What? You didn't even ask a question. You just like kind of just said it. Same day delivery on Discord. Like, well, fuck it, dog. Let's just keep
Alright,
going.
now get to swiping.
Yeah, let's get to swiping, shall we? Do you have Hinge X?
Yeah.
Oh yes, my boy. Okay, here we go.
You guessed my favorite soju flavor. What you think, Jason? What, like, you know about any soju flavors?
I do.
Lychee? Nah.
Lychee's pretty good.
Lychee. Okay.
Lychee's pretty good. Yeah,
Okay.
you gotta respond and be like, Kia Tabaya. Yo, not Christmas 5 gifted.
Okay, what do I say? Which one?
Nah, you gotta do the dancing one. You gotta cook some shit up for the dancing one. Be like, fuck.
Okay.
Did I match you? Nah, there's no way.
You did? This shit loud.
Be like, damn. Be like, why'd I play this video over 20 times? Fire or no? Heart emoji, heart eyes. Is that the fucking heart or the star? These Android ass emojis. Over. Oh, instant rose.
Yeah.
Oh, these are the stars.
Yeah, these are the stars and shit.
Oh, wait, you already used your rose, no?
Yeah, my shit gone already. Okay, let's see my elo.
Yeah, this your type. All right, just you're gonna swipe. Okay, you make the decision.
Okay.
Okay. What happened?
Nah. She was cool.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now fuck it.
No.
No.
If you X, then X. Don't feel bad.
Okay. Amy. Okay. She kind of cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is that the first one?
It's Chris Brown?
Yeah. Like what? Why is that her first? Nah.
Jacqueline?
Okay.
Paola? She Raven? She cool. Okay. I like that one.
Okay.
I think that shit's look like.
What happened?
Katie?
Milkman. Oh, I see.
No.
Oh.
Okay, Ava.
Oh. Okay, I'm just trying to observe your type real quick. Just keep swiping. Let me see.
Okay, my simple pleasures are your mom. Lupe. Okay. Kier. Okay.
You gotta hit a one-liner, bro.
Oh shit! I gotta message them. I'm not messaging.
Yeah, you're not messaging. Just hit them with the same day delivery shit.
Okay. Fucking Android, huh?
Yeah, fucking Android. You can't even copy paste.
Boom. Boom.
Grace. Wait, was that a white man next to her? What? Oh, she's making out with a girl.
And then they're making out. Yeah.
What an interesting.
Yeah. Okay. Nah. Okay. That's my body.
Oh yeah, that's your.
Yeah.
That's your body.
Yeah, that's my body.
Alright, okay. I'm observing right now.
Okay, she be rock climbing. Fuck with that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, she like doing fun shit.
Okay. Yo, you fucking up the message.
Yeah.
The message say same day deliveries.
Fuck. Raven.
I'm the Ravers.
All I ask is that.
Honestly, I don't ask for much. I just ask that you have a boat, a bagged M4, a family trust. You have to be over 6 foot, preferably like 6'3" to 6'5".
Damn, bitch.
You have to be in college or a business owner. There's no in between.
God damn, she's still going.
That's about it. Thank you for listening. I hope that one of you guys can match my prompt.
Let me look at her. Oh, hell no. Be like, damn, you want Superman?
Damn, you want Superman? Boom.
Yeah.
Okay. Patricia? I just don't like that name, kind of. Patricia? Would you ever name one of your kids
Hell no.
Patricia?
I would not. You just.
Caitlin?
Okay.
Okay, sometimes you gotta do the zesty Rizz. I love Harry.
Yo!
What, bro? Sometimes you gotta get in how you could get in.
I've never. Yo, that might be a good method to be honest.
She'd
Okay.
be like, "Oh, what's your favorite song?" And then boom. What she says, "I go crazy for come meet me and find out." Oh, what the? No, she was
That's your
free.
body.
Okay. All right, bet.
Ugh! I need to fucking go. I need to drink.
You ever call someone?
Milkman. You ever call someone at night? What? What?
Come on.
What? What?
She gonna be interested now. She gonna be like, wait.
No,
hold
wait.
on.
That might be your one-liner though.
Yeah, that's me.
That might be your
Okay.
one-liner.
Okay.
Fuck the same day delivery shit.
All right, bet. I'm spamming it. Boom. Boom.
No. You said night.
I said night.
Yeah.
Fuck. Maria. Okay. Okay. Bro, I think I might get packed up. No.
Oh yeah, you right. nah, just stick to the same day delivery. Yeah. Oh hell nah.
I kind of like it though. It might be worth it, bro. That's a good bar.
It is a good bar.
Okay. Her name was Val. Lauren. Okay.
Lauren look good.
Boom. Natalie.
What do you be like? You ever call someone and it's a ninja emoji?
That's good. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Did you just snap and point at me?
You gotta move tat.
Nah, he hit one of these. He hit the. Oh.
Hey, Jay, it's your turn. You gotta, take over. You can say whatever. Take over.
Nah, I like your one-liner though.
Okay, you like that one?
Wait, hold on. Okay. Too young. Probably not in LA. Cassie, too young. She look.
Damn, she on a fucking boat.
She on a fucking boat. She look like she got money.
Not for real.
Fuck it. Just be. I'm gonna hit her with a. I'm gonna just hit her with. What the? Hold on. Go to active now.
Oh,
active
yeah,
today.
That's smart. I didn't even know about that.
Alexa looks good.
Yeah.
How's she? 19. Be like, 45-year-old and 19-year-old. Be like, fuck. Nah, just spam the 1-day deliveries until someone responds, bro. Or the ninja line.
Okay.
The fuck? This the opener? I'm a JasonTheWeen mod, says Fova.
I'll use that, boy. I just gotta see her that she plays games. If she plays games, I'll use that, bro.
I bet. Is that a dumpling?
Dumpling. It is.
It is a dumpling. Wait, what was that? You want to be plus one of my to the face party? What was that? Hold on, go back. How do you do that? How do you go back to your clipboard, bro? Nah, go back. What was that? Who's that? They go to the clipboard? Clipboard? Oh no! Oh no! Oh nah! Who you sending that to? Oh shit! Oh shit!
I was trying to get some likes, man. This shit was going great. It was going tough, bro. You
Damn, bro.
You gotta use your best line, bro.
Okay, wait, scroll down. Oh nah, man. Oh!
Nah, that was something. Nah, you good.
Don't know whose number that is.
No clue.
That's probably a random girl's number. Fuck. Well, shit. Let's continue. She looks super fob.
Yeah. Get Disney passes? Nah. Emma? Wait, how do you...
Emmy? She look good. Okay.
She be scuba diving.
Okay.
Damn, she be doing everything. She on that big horse.
Okay. Alright.
Say, I need you today. Alright, I'll try that one.
It is a dumpling. What?
Is that a Miata?
No. I think that's a super... Nah, I don't even know what the fuck. I need you today. No, the same day delivery is way better.
Same day delivery better?
Yeah, way better. Oh. S2K? Damn, y'all know y'all shit.
Damn, they knew that shit?
They knew that shit. The yam is all I know.
Valerie.
Milk ass man. Nah. Why no one? Why
no one respond to me? I think my shit not in the algorithm right now.
Yeah, why no one why is no one fucking with you, bro? Like usually by now there's at least one response. Like just start spamming. Like
yeah, I'm spamming.
Yeah.
I'm spamming.
Yeah,
bro. I'm spamming.
Yeah, you start spamming, bro. Fuck. Nah, just hit him with the one day delivery. That ninja line might
probably be like.
They probably like, what the fuck is this guy talking about? You know what I mean? Like you just gotta lock in real quick.
Okay. Emoji?
Nah, just question mark. Wait, no.
No.
That's it.
That's it. Okay. Nah, surely someone about to respond soon.
There gotta be someone, bro. It's gotta be someone, bro.
What's today? Today, what day is it? Is it like a Thursday? Is it Monday?
It's a Friday, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah, someone respond on Friday.
Yeah, we just waiting.
She's super hot and she listens.
That's all I need to hear. The fuck is this?
TikTok live? Fuck.
Oh yeah, I seen you was doing the TikTok live.
Show the message. Release the messages. Show the messages.
Dr. Disrespect.
What are we in second grade?
This dude. Ain't no one fucking respond to you, Arky. This shit some.
Yeah, it might be tough out here.
It's over, bro.
It might be tough, yeah.
Why no one? What? See, Fova?
Yeah, he's tripping.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Oh, this shit crazy.
Don't know what he's on, bro.
Yeah, dude, come on. You're just putting up shots. Let's go.
Facts. Come on.
What? Hey, I'd rather go 0 for 30 than 0 for 9 because that meant I gave up.
Yeah.
Come on. Nah, someone gonna respond.
Yeah. Yeah, come on. Yeah.
Nah, shit.
Someone gotta. Come on, bro.
Nah, yeah. Something for everyone.
Yeah. Ron stream. What's happening? Interesting.
Okay, she said she could tie a cherry stem with her tongue.
Yo, why did you just?
You got here with homie 5. Come on. Sheesh.
Yeah. Nah, she's swiping back for sure. Yeah.
I don't know how many more shots. How many shots do you think I'm at right now? A couple hundred. Like, I'm just swiping like she got Chucky as her shit. I'm just fucking Chucky. Pull up. Damn.
Bro, this is bad, bro. At this point, it's just so we gotta get. Yeah, nah, this is this is bad, bro. Like, what are your messages again, maybe?
Okay.
Yes, get off this app. Yeah, this is bad, bro. Maybe in a couple minutes, maybe 30 minutes, like maybe someone will fucking let you bag, but like, bro, what the